We're back in Denver at the ASMS show talking about mass spectrometry and focusing on software for proteomics. So we're here at ASMS. This is the industry's premier show for mass spectrometry here in Denver this year. And I'm with David Horn to talk about software. Hardware is something that people know the Thermo Scientific brand well for. Just incredible products and technologies over the years in our mass spectrometry and such. But the software is something that our customers have been asking about and we've been delivering on. Talk about that, David.
We have a very large set of software. You can see there's a circle up here that shows the full pipelines. Let me start first with our flagship product, Proteome Discover. It's our software for protein identification. We've added a lot of interesting new features in this past release, including an algorithm called Percolator that was produced by Mike Macasa's group at Washington. Greatly increases your number of IDs. You can start thinking about doing deep sequencing, more and more information out of your sample. Another algorithm called PhosphoRS from Karl Mechler's group in Vienna. And a third algorithm for PTM and Go annotations based on our connection with our Protein Center server. Now going on to Protein Center, it's a new product for Thermo. It's been around from formerly Proxion, and it's a software for biological inference of your proteomics data. So a user would acquire their data, search it with Proteome Discover, and then import it into Protein Center, and can basically do about a month's work in just a few mouse clicks. And we also have some software for quantitative proteomics. One is called Sieve, which is software for label-free quantification. Another one is software called Pinpoint, and that is for targeted quantification. That's assuming you know what peptides that you want to quantify in your sample. Finally, we have two other pieces of software, one called SimGlycan, which is for glycomics analysis, as well as ProCyte PC, which is a very unique piece of software for top-down proteomics, which takes into account known biological complexity so that it does a much more accurate job at protein identification. So we're very excited about a very broad portfolio of software products that we have, because we can actually do basically a full discovery to quantification experiment, like we're showing here. Run your data on your Orbitrap Elite or Q Exactive or Velis Pro. You get your identifications by Proteome Discover. You pipe it through Protein Center by the quantitative proteomics platform. You find the proteins you're interested in further quantifying, and you can target those. And then that maybe leads you to another set of experiments where, again, you go back to your discovery instrument and you'd identify some more things. So it sets up a cycle of research where you can keep learning and learning more biological knowledge, and it's a very exciting platform.
So what does it mean for customers when you put it all together?
Well, we'll continue to develop our Proteome Discover platform. Proteome Discover is based on what's called a workflow engine. It's very specifically tailored for proteomics. What that allows us to do is very quickly develop new nodes and add it to the software so people can work those into their pipeline. So we are always interested in things like search engines. We have Sequest and Mascot now, but there's any kind of biological annotation like we've done with the Protein Center node. There's more information we can add. So we're continuously evaluating what technology is out there that we could rapidly develop and bring into our system.
Learn more at thermoscientific.com/proteomics/software.